How to create the viral vertical ombre. So I watched a few videos before I did this, and the general consensus seems to be just don't overthink it. You go in with one colour on one side, so I've gone in with the coral on one side and the pink on the other. The reason I've picked these two colours is because they're really close. I know you've seen blue and white ones and that kind of thing. I would try a colour like this that are in the same kind of colour palette and work up to that. And then I tried two different methods. I actually tried the with just the brush and then wiping the brush off, but I found the blend was a little bit solid. So I went in eventually using a really cheap ombre brush that I got recently from Amazon, which is actually really decent. And I just kept adding. I think I did about 3 layers in total. And then I thought I'm not going to keep adding any more because you're just going to end up with a much thicker nail. And I was quite happy with the blend by this point, to be honest. Then you're going to paint your French on. Once you've painted your French, it's the same thing. Again, paint your one colour on one side, one colour on the other, and blend them together. It's really quite simple. I'm going to be doing some more colours, so if you want to see other colours in particular, let me know in the comments because I'd love to try your suggestions and see how they turn out. But I was so happy with the way this turned out, and it's so much easier than you think. I'd really recommend giving it a go, guys.